Assalamualaikum everyone. Have you ever imagined how sad it is to hear the sound of rain starting to come down, getting the clothes we dried this morning while we were in class or at work? Wanted to dry clothes, but 87.5% of the 40 respondents in our study said they did not have a dryer. So what else? We from Group 6 will give you a worthwhile solution, which is H2D. Hang to dry. H2D is a clothes drying rack innovation that includes solution to problems from the result of a survey we conducted last 20th of August. Among the problems are not having time to lift clothes during rainy weather, clothes rack easily rusting, it is not easy to move, ropes that are easy to sag, clothes fly because of the wind, and clothes rack not steady. For those who have ever had a tumble dryer must understand the rising electricity bills every month and the noise from the tumble dryer itself.
So in this video, we'll introduce the world's only automatically light-sensitive clothes drying rack, where, as you can see, that the structure is 2 meters in height because we consider the possible heights of all kinds of people so that they can even hang it on the upper hanging area. So as we zoom into the structure, we can see that there is the adjustable clip lock where people can adjust the height of the structure to their desires. So we make this design to be able to detect the thick cloudy sky. So our special features will be able to detect it and respond to it. So our material for the structure is actually stainless steel structure, where, as we know, it is very durable, long-term value, 100% recyclable, and it is also impact resistant to strong wind. So on the top of the structure, there's actually the solar panel that will absorb the sun ray and will convert it to the electricity so that the light sensor can detect the sunlight. So our material for the umbrella and the side plastic cover is the same, which is the plastic, because we believe that it is very waterproof, durable, and transparent. And the side plastic will also prevent the rain from getting the clothes wet. So the solar fan will actually convert the air flow through it into a heated air that will make the drying process of the clothes more faster than usual. So the followers on the bottom will give a high stability to the structures of the clothes drying rack, and the side cover with iron weight will give it durability and prevent from leaking of rainwater. So the two hanging area in this clothes drying rack is the upper hanging area for the larger clothes size, and the lower hanging area is actually for the smaller clothes size. And the spiral shaped hanging area will give like more spaces for people to hang their clothes. So we believe that drying clothes outdoor is better because we know that sunlight is free, and the UV light will also reduce the bad smells in the clothes, and it will also make the clothes less fuzzy compared to when we dry it in the machine dryer. We will also reduce the carbon footprint, and hence we will contribute to the environment. So when we differentiate from 3 famous clothes drying competitors, our hang to dry tried to improve and solve the problems from the competitors, where our design is heavy duty and at the same time it saves space. It's also easy to hang and retrieve clothes because of the spiral shape. It's impact resistant from wind and rain. It can protect clothes getting wet from rain automatically, and it saves costs and is environmental friendly.
The next slide is the business model canvas for drying clothes rack. So as you can see here, it has stated our key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segments, cost structure, and lastly our revenue streams. So every point here has a clear link that connect with each other, as you can see here. And for example, on the box, the revenue streams, the agents or dropshipping fees, and agent dropshippers here has yellow link because it is to show that the monies that we get from the agents came from our key partners here. And at the same time, the agent is also the cost for the business, which is on this side, that stated agent's commission on the cost structure box. Same goes as other values. Another example is on the customer segment. So our target customer is students that work day night, student that lives far away from home, business that always work outstation or travel, and 18 to 40 years old. So the main value propositions that these customers need and get is automatic sensor, which detects rainwater and waterproof cover. So this is the main reason why they choose our product rather than the normal clothes drying rack. So let's move on to our president studies. So we refer to 3 main president studies, which is the first one is all of our clothing rack from Japan, fabric coastline from South Americas, and also automatic coastline from the Philippines. So we studies about the types of materials that they use, that is efficient, and how the product works, and modify it to bring the best product.